The story of Earth's birth is one of extraordinary wonder, chaos, and transformation, a tale written over billions of years, with every chapter revealing an awe-inspiring narrative of resilience and change. To understand how our blue planet came into existence, we must journey back 4.6 billion years, to a time when the universe was still relatively young and our solar system was just beginning to take shape. A star is born, the solar nebula. Earth's origin story begins with the remnants of an ancient star. Long before our solar system existed, a massive star reached the end of its life in a spectacular explosion known as a supernova. This explosion scattered elements, the building blocks of everything we see today across the cosmos. Hydrogen, helium, carbon, oxygen, and heavier elements like iron and nickel formed a vast cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. Under the influence of gravity, the solar nebula began to collapse in on itself. Imagine a figure skater spinning faster as they pull their arms inward. This is what happened to the nebula. As it spun, the center became increasingly dense and hot, eventually igniting to form our sun. Around this newborn star, a flat disk of gas and dust swirled, setting the stage for the formation of the planets. From dust to planet, the formation of Earth. Within this protoplanetary disk, countless tiny particles collided and stuck together, forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps grew into planetesimals, the seeds of planets. Picture an elaborate game of cosmic bumper cars. Collisions were frequent, sometimes destructive, but gradually larger bodies emerged. Over millions of years, one such body grew to become the early Earth. At this stage, Earth was far from the lush, life-sustaining planet we know today. It was a molten, hellish world, its surface constantly reshaped by volcanic activity and asteroid impacts. Yet, amid this chaos, the seeds of future life were being sown. The moon's dramatic entrance. One of the most dramatic moments in Earth's history came with the formation of the moon. Scientists believe that a Mars-sized body, named Theia, collided with the early Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. This cataclysmic impact ejected a vast amount of material into orbit around our planet. Over time, this debris coalesced to form the moon. The moon's influence on Earth has been profound. It stabilized Earth's rotation, giving us predictable seasons and a relatively stable climate, factors crucial for the eventual emergence of life. Even today, the moon's gravitational pull shapes the tides, reminding us of its ancient connection to our planet. A watery transformation. One of Earth's defining features is its abundance of liquid water. But where did it come from? Scientists propose that water arrived on Earth through a combination of sources. Some of it may have been trapped in the minerals that formed our planet, released later through volcanic activity. Additionally, comets and asteroids rich in water ice bombarded Earth during its early years, delivering the precious liquid that would eventually fill our oceans. Water transformed Earth in profound ways. It acted as a solvent, enabling chemical reactions that laid the groundwork for life. It also moderated the planet's temperature, preventing extreme fluctuations and creating a hospitable environment for future organisms. Earth's layers, a natural architect. As Earth cooled, it began to differentiate into distinct layers. Dense materials, like iron and nickel, sank to the core, while lighter materials formed the mantle and crust. This layering created a dynamic planet, with a molten core generating a magnetic field that shields us from harmful solar radiation. The crust, though thin, became the foundation for continents, oceans, and life. Tectonic activity reshaped the surface over millions of years, driving the formation of mountains, valleys, and other geological features. These changes created diverse habitats, setting the stage for an explosion of biodiversity. The atmosphere's evolution. Earth's atmosphere has undergone dramatic changes since its formation. Initially, it was dominated by hydrogen and helium, but solar winds stripped away much of this early atmosphere. Volcanic eruptions released gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen, forming a new, thicker atmosphere. A turning point came with the Great Oxygenation Event around 2.5 billion years ago. Photosynthetic microorganisms, such as cyanobacteria, began producing oxygen as a byproduct of their metabolism. This oxygen accumulated in the atmosphere, transforming it into one that could support complex life. It also created the ozone layer, which protects life from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The first glimmers of life. The origin of life on Earth remains one of science's greatest mysteries. However, most scientists agree that life began in Earth's oceans. The combination of water, organic molecules, and energy sources created the perfect conditions for life to emerge. Around 3.8 billion years ago, simple, single-celled organisms appeared, marking the dawn of life on Earth. Over billions of years, life evolved and diversified, adapting to Earth's changing environment. From the first microbes to the dinosaurs, and eventually to humans, the story of life is deeply intertwined with the story of Earth itself. A modern perspective, Earth's fragility and resilience. Reflecting on Earth's history offers valuable lessons about its resilience and fragility. Consider the Chicxulub impact 66 million years ago, which led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. This event, while catastrophic, paved the way for mammals and eventually humans to thrive. Earth has faced countless challenges, but has always rebounded, evolving into a world teeming with life. Yet, our planet's resilience is not limitless. Modern challenges like climate change, deforestation, and pollution remind us of our responsibility to protect Earth's delicate balance. Just as the moon's formation or the Great Oxygenation event shaped our planet's history, our actions today will influence its future. Real-life connections. Understanding our place. To truly appreciate Earth's journey, we can draw parallels to our own lives. Imagine the chaotic collisions that formed the early Earth as akin to the struggles and challenges we face as individuals. Just as Earth transformed through adversity, we too can emerge stronger and more resilient. Consider the moon's stabilizing role. In our lives, relationships, mentors, or even passions can serve as stabilizing forces, guiding us through turbulent times. And like Earth's abundant water, a source of life and renewal, we must recognize and cherish the resources that sustain us, both physically and emotionally. Conclusion: a planet worth celebrating. The birth of Earth is a story of cosmic coincidence, immense transformation, and enduring beauty. From the fiery collisions of its infancy to the lush, life-sustaining planet we call home, Earth's journey is nothing short of miraculous. As we gaze at the stars, marveling at the vastness of the universe, let us also look inward and appreciate the extraordinary world beneath our feet. Earth's history is a testament to the power of change and resilience, offering a source of inspiration for humanity as we navigate our own challenges and strive to protect the planet we call home.